Welcome to Creative Solutions. Today I'm going to give you a basic understanding of cloud and who are the major cloud players and what is the benefit of using cloud services. See, the major market players are Amazon Web Services by Amazon, Azure by Microsoft, and Google Cloud Platform by Google. See, cloud is nothing but you have been using it all the while. See, from your fitness application to your instant messaging to your payment application. These leaders provide the infrastructure and the application companies just manage the technical side. They take care of all the hardware infrastructure. They can and you can provision them at a go, and you can delete your resources or terminate your resources at a go, and you only pay for what you use. Now, other benefits of using cloud. See, as I said, easy to manage and scales upon demand. Like you can start your application with one server. As you get more requests, you can scale up or scale down. In a company, you would always want this because you would not want servers to be constantly running, and those are expensive, and you will need a person to manage them. But by using cloud, you can scale up, scale down only when it's needed. See, now cloud also provides various services such as orchestrator for containers, database. There are almost all database services available, uh, such as Postgres, MariaDB, MySQL, Aurora of AWS, and MS SQL. From security and compliance point, cloud has outperformed almost all on-premise compliance requirements, such as it is almost all cloud providers are following HIPAA guidelines, FedRAMP, ISO, SOC1. And coming to the faulty resilience, almost all cloud providers have data centers all across the globe. So your data is almost always faulty resilient, and you will always be able to access your data from data privacy. And there are guidelines for entering a data center. So in that point of view, also your data is always encrypted, and it's not manhandled. And from a cost efficient point of view, see, like Amazon, for an EC2 instance, it only you can only pay for T2 micro, which is T2 micro, T2 small, which starts from 0.01 dollar to it all the way to $3. Now, automatic software updates and patches. See, there are various automatic cloud providers have options in which you can update your servers or patches, and there are various services which can help you in that. And like if you have a company which is global, it increases your collaboration as there are various services such as in AWS provides CloudFront, in which your application latency rate decreases. And also from a employee point of view, like there are various services such as Cloud9 virtual desktops, in which an entire company can be connected, the company employees can be connected and can work from anywhere. Now about the market share in terms of revenue. See, Amazon leads the market share by 33%, sorry. See, Amazon quarterly income is about 8 billion per quarter, and it is always increasing quarter per quarter. Azure is having many government contracts, but still it has a lot to catch up. Google Cloud, Alibaba, Salesforce, they are making new innovative services in cloud, and there are still more to grow here. See, cloud is one of the most advantageous, as almost all the three major cloud providers uh, gives you a trial version of their application in which you can provision. Like Azure provides you about $100, Google the same, and AWS provides you the various free tier service for 1 year. You can go on them, you can learn about various services. In my other videos, I'll be teaching you about various services in AWS, and soon I'll expand to GCP and Azure accordingly. uh, and through cloud, see, you need not worry about the upfront cost, and you only pay for the services which you use. Thank you.